Welcome once again to my kitchen. How are you all doing? I hope everybody is safe and sound. Today I am going to teach you all how to make base of pizza at home from scratch. So for that you need 3 cups of whole purpose flour or maida. Over here we call it maida. Then you need active yeast. If you are taking 3 cups of flour, then you take 2 teaspoons of yeast. Then you have to take 1 big cup of warm water, add sugar to it, and then keep the yeast for fermenting. Once it is fermenting and cooked, it will look like this. So it takes around 5 minutes for an active yeast to get proven. So I take here like this of 3 cups. 1, 2 and 3. So basically it is like little less to half kg, little less than 500 grams. So this is the balance actually from 500 grams. Then you add salt to taste. Just a teaspoon. You add this yeast, active yeast to it. So this is like a big 1.5 cup of water. And you add olive oil or any oil, and then you mix this all together. If you need water to it, please see that you can add water to it. I will add little water. That same thing I took. Always remember when you are adding yeast to water, it should not be very hot, otherwise it will kill the yeast. So now I will put my hands to make it a smooth dough. Here we go. Very easy to make pizza base at home. Nowadays you get good ready-made pizzas base also. So here, so I need to knead it more. You can add oil to it. You can add oil, butter, depending on how you want. dough, you can make around 4 pizzas. But today I will be showing you all cheese burst pizza. So I will be making one cheese burst pizza and one plain pizza. Filling and everything, it will come on the next video. So if you are adding butter, then see that you use unsalted butter, and if you are using normal salted butter, then add less salt when you are adding in the flour. Yeah, it's ready. So now I will keep it for proving it for till it rises to double. Cover it with a damp cloth and keep it for proving. So here we go. So when it gets double, it's ready to make pizza base, and then it's ready to make pizzas. Thank you. Continue with the next, where I will be showing you all what you can put the ingredients on the base of pizza. So if you want veg, you can do veg. If you want non-veg, nowadays there are Goan style pizzas, like people are doing shakuti pizzas, and people are doing kafriel pizzas. Italian pizzas is already there, but there are like different of new versions of pizzas are there in all over. And Goans, they love sorpatel pizza, shakuti pizza, kafriel pizza. You can make some prawns pizza, you can make some chicken tikka pizza, you can make some chicken Manchurian pizza. So there are many ways you can make out of this base. So hope to catch you later. Thank you.